Black smoke from the exhaust of a vehicle is usually an indication of incomplete combustion of fuel. It is caused by an excessive amount of fuel being injected into the engine relative to the amount of air being supplied for combustion. Black smoke coming out of vehicle exhaust is a sign of a problem that needs to be addressed immediately. Causes of black smoke from exhaust. 1. Clogged air filter. If the air filter of your car is blocked by dirt, it may result in an inadequate air supply to the engine cylinder. This makes the engine burn more fuel than it should, and that causes black smoke to come out of the exhaust. Additionally, you will notice heavier smoke when the vehicle is put under pressure. 2. Bad MAF sensor. The MAF sensor of your car is responsible for measuring the quantity of air entering the combustion chamber. This information is crucial for the fuel injectors to determine the appropriate amount of fuel needed for combustion. When the MAF sensor fails, it starts to send incorrect data. This causes the engine to think it needs more fuel than necessary, creating a rich running environment. 3. Faulty EGR valve. The EGR valve helps to reduce harmful emissions by redirecting a controlled amount of the exhaust gas back into the combustion chamber. As the EGR valve of a diesel engine goes bad, it does not properly recirculate the amount of exhaust gases. Consequently, black smoke will start to come from the exhaust. 4. Bad fuel injector. The fuel injectors of your vehicle work are used to evenly distribute fuel within the combustion chambers. However, bad injectors may fail to properly spray the fuel, causing various issues. When an excessive amount of fuel is sprayed into the combustion chamber, it forces the engine to operate in a rich condition. This imbalanced air and fuel mixture can result in the production of black smoke from the exhaust. 5. Clogged fuel filters. A faulty or clogged fuel filter can stop the fuel flow and leads to an insufficient supply of fuel to the engine. This leads to incomplete combustion and the emission of black smoke. 6. Worn piston rings. Piston rings prevent engine oil from infiltrating the combustion chamber. They interact with the cylinder without actually touching the cylinder walls. If your vehicle piston rings are damaged, more engine oil will enter the combustion chamber, causing an unhealthy mixture of engine oil and fuel. 7. Bad oxygen sensor. The function of the oxygen sensor is to send information about the air-fuel mixture to the engine control unit. It lets the car computer know if the fuel is burning rich or lean. When the O2 sensor of your car is damaged, it can disrupt the fuel-air ratio, causing the engine to combust more fuel than needed. A poor oxygen supply will lead to incomplete combustion, which causes an outpouring of black smoke from the exhaust. 8. Engine deposits. Over time, as your engine becomes old, the formation of carbon deposits becomes evident, causing the production of black smoke from the exhaust. These deposits primarily consist of combustion byproducts that accumulate within the engine cylinder and injectors. The carbon deposits not only have the potential to impair engine performance, but can also lead to the complete failure of the engine. 9. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. The fuel pressure regulator maintains the correct fuel pressure in the engine. When it goes bad, it may send too much fuel into the engine, leading to black smoke.